Welcome to our YouTube channel. Unsafe condition? An unsafe condition is a condition in the workplace that poses a risk to the health or safety of workers. Examples of unsafe conditions include physical hazards, such as exposed wiring, uneven surfaces, slippery floors, or improperly stored chemicals. Ergonomic hazards, such as awkward postures, repetitive motions, or lifting heavy objects. Environmental hazards, such as extreme temperatures, poor ventilation, or exposure to noise or vibration. Machine hazards, such as unguarded machinery, malfunctioning equipment, or lack of safety features. Electrical hazards, such as exposed wires, overloaded circuits, or damaged electrical equipment. Fire hazards, such as improperly stored flammable materials, blocked exits, or damaged fire extinguishers. Biological hazards, such as exposure to infectious diseases or contaminated materials. Identifying and addressing unsafe conditions in the workplace is essential for maintaining a safe and healthy work environment. Employers have a legal and moral obligation to provide a safe workplace, and workers also have a responsibility to report unsafe conditions to their supervisors. Regular safety inspections, hazard assessments, and employee training programs can help to prevent unsafe conditions and promote a culture of safety in the workplace. Unsafe act? An unsafe act is any action or behavior by an individual in the workplace that increases the risk of injury to themselves or others. Examples of unsafe acts include 1. Operating machinery without proper training or authorization. 2. Failure to follow established safety procedures or guidelines. 3. Using equipment or tools improperly or unsafely. 4. Horseplay or engaging in reckless behavior. 5. Working while under the influence of drugs or alcohol. 6. Not wearing personal protective equipment, PPE, when required. 7. Ignoring warning signs or signals. Unsafe acts can be a major cause of workplace accidents and injuries. Employers have a responsibility to identify and correct unsafe acts through training, supervision, and discipline when necessary. Workers also have a responsibility to report unsafe acts and take steps to correct their own unsafe behavior. Creating a culture of safety in the workplace can help to prevent unsafe acts and promote safe behavior. This can be achieved through regular safety training, effective communication, and a commitment to continuous improvement in safety practices. Thanks for watching.